Hi Sister Woods, here is the template for the Acme web page, and then here is the home page that I did. There's all of that, and as for responsiveness, there's the small portion of it. And then back into here, and then I believe I wanted to do we need the validate it. So validating. So CSS worked out pretty good. And as for HTML, this also worked out well, except for there's one error that comes up. And I got this error a lot in CIT 230 where it doesn't like the bars I get. So my teacher in the past has said to just leave it. I'm not sure if that's okay with you here, but it's just for my Google fonts. But other than that, HTML went well and it worked. I think that is all you need to know. I'm double checking my list. Looks like it. So hope that works. Let me know if there's anything I need to work on. Thanks.